But the one thing that I want to stress is how you take care of that snow on your walkways and your driveways, and especially the ice. Okay, so today I thought I'd show you maybe
I just want to show you what the...
So these, you swimming. Why are Hey, so I am sitting here in my office today, and of course, as per usual, evaluating trends, looking at the market and seeing what's going on out there in the world of real estate, okay? So of course, we know 2025 is going to be a great year. The market is strong, and I think people have adjusted to the interest rates, and it's time to move past the woes of what's going to happen with interest rates, right? If they drop, you can refinance something that you already have. That's a whole lot easier than waiting for it to drop and then prices go up. They're already going up in 2025, so make it count when you can. So in North Carolina here, however, we are getting ready for snow this weekend and then some ice. And it hasn't snowed here in over 1,000 days, so the grocery stores are showing it. But we are getting prepared. But the one thing that I want to stress is how you take care of that snow on your walkways and your driveways, and especially the ice. So if you've watched my videos, you know that many of these that I do are about how to make your house your home, and also how to care for different things around your home that you love and appreciate. And so your investment being your driveway and your sidewalk, it's not recommended to use salts. As much as everyone wants to say, salt your driveway, brine this, we don't have to do that. Let that stick to the roads, because that's going to ruin the roads anyway, right? But what happens when salt gets into the cracks and crevices of your concrete, it has a tendency to deteriorate portions of your concrete. It will melt too, and then when it refreezes, it expands and causes cracks, and that's just going to expedite the wear and tear on your driveway and sidewalks. So don't use salt. But there's a couple other things that you can do to break down the ice and also help traction. First, just throw some snow on it if you have snow. Just throw snow on it if you have snow. The snow is actually going to insulate, and then the heat from under the ground is going to melt that, and once that gets a little bit warm under there, then you can just shovel it right off. There are some products out there that are salt-free. There's one that I found, it's called Safe Paw, and that's great for, or it's healthy for your dogs and their feet and their pads and your cats. And it's not going to hurt your concrete. All right, all things home. And as you're getting ready for 2025 and setting those goals, give me a call and let's figure it out together. Have a good one.